Hello. Nomad Sculpt and low poly detailed masks. How to create detailed yes parts and objects from a mask, from an alpha brush, and to keep a low poly. It's easy to use a lot of polygons, but it's not so easy to reduce the polys. Okay, this mesh is an example. This is, yes, I think active 49,000 vertices, or yes. Okay, let's start. Example. I turn on the wireframe. This is a body, and yes, I want to place a mesh on it. Or okay, use a mask, cell mask, lasso tool, for example, and make sure that you get the front vertex only or not. Then you can mask here a part, and you can extract this with a shell thickness of 0, 0. Extract. And now we can work on this part only. We can use the trim function. Hole filling is off, symmetry off, and trim it a little bit sharper. Lasso tool is okay, and like this. Now we got our part here. Here's a small, yes. This is our working plane. Okay. And now we need a high poly mesh only to work with it. We subdivide the object and make it a real high poly count. How high your RAM is possible. And now we use, this is a mask brush, and I adjusted it to place here alpha mask. You can use different alphas like you want, and you can adjust the scaling or the tiling. Let's work with this and make a test. And yes, and one important thing is this mask is not a clear mask. It looks clear, but it isn't clear. When you zoom in, there are blurry parts, and here in the mask settings, press the sharpen. Press it a few times till nothing happens anymore. And this is, yes, the sharpest mask you can get. And now use the mask and extract the mask with a shell thickness of 0. Extract. And here now we can delete our mesh, what we don't need, and I trim this part away. And now I turn on the wireframe. It's a very high resolution wireframe. And when you want to, here here's something to know. When you use the decimation function, it doesn't work on a flat surface really good. Go back and use a cell mask and mask this part and extract it with a shell thickness of 0.2 or so. Extract it. And now you can use the decimation. One time. And now it goes faster. Okay. You can make a step. You can also do a voxel remesh. You can test it. Remesh and then use, go back and keep sharp edges and remesh it. It's better to use now here the decimation function again. Yes. Let's try again the voxel remeshing with a higher poly count. And now let's do the decimation again. It's a test with voxel remeshing and decimation. You can play around with it to get the best results. And I think this is, when I decimate it again, yes, one time is not possible. That's the latest decimation. This is a mask, we can delete it. And now I think we are fine. Paint it and on this mesh we can clear the mask. And now we got a low poly mask part, and it's only about 4018 voxels. And you can use the multi-res subdivided one time. It's also then you can get a real clear parts here and a very low poly count. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.